Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to see who you've blocked on Messenger, you're in the right place. Maybe you blocked someone a while ago and want to check your list, or perhaps you're just curious about your privacy settings. Whatever the reason, today I'll show you exactly how to view your blocked contacts on Messenger with the most up-to-date steps. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside Messenger, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen for the menu icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap on Menu to open up a list of options. Next, you'll see several choices, but what you want is Settings. Tap on Settings to continue. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Messenger account. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy and Safety. This is where Messenger keeps all the tools related to your privacy, including blocking and security features. Tap on Privacy and Safety. Once you're in the Privacy and Safety menu, look for the option called Blocked Contacts. Tap on Blocked Contacts, and just like that, you'll see a complete list of everyone you've blocked on Messenger. Each name on this list represents someone you've chosen to block. And from here, you can review your blocked contacts at any time. If you want to unblock someone, simply tap on their name and select the option to unblock. Messenger will ask you to confirm your choice. And once you do, that person will be able to contact you again. And that's it. You've now learned how to view your blocked contacts on Messenger in just a few simple steps. Keeping track of your blocked list is a great way to manage your privacy and control who can reach you online. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.